guys, Mary here, and this morning I thought I would share with you my secret to the very best eggnog. Now, you know, eggnog is one of those drinks that some people like and some people really dislike. And as I was growing up, I didn't really like it that much either until one of my friends shared with me his secret for the very best eggnog. So today, that is what we're going to do. I will show you this recipe. It's simple. This will be a very short video, and when I'm done, this is maybe a drink you would like to try for yourself and your friends and family over New Year's, maybe New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. And with my friends and family, we actually all drank this together on Christmas Day before our dinner. So give it a try. I have changed a lot of people's minds about eggnog and how delicious it can be with this recipe, which is, like I said, very simple. So let's get over to my kitchen and do it. For this recipe, we use 3 simple ingredients. We use eggnog, pre-made, and I like to purchase organic eggnog. It's just a preference for myself. And so this is a great tasting brand. And then the secret ingredient is Irish mist honey liqueur. This is fantastic. It is a very sweet liqueur, and I believe it's made from Irish whiskey, but it is, you know, a kind of a thick consistency since it is a liqueur. And then the last ingredient is nutmeg, which we are just going to use a small amount of in each drink. So these are our 3 ingredients. Next, we take a tumbler or an on the rocks glass. Any size really works, but I like to use a clear glass instead of a mug for my eggnog. And you pour into this glass about 1 cup of eggnog. Now, of course, I've made eggnog in these glasses many times, but I'd like to give you those measurements just in case they're important for you. But this is not one of those precise recipes. I just happen to know that if I pour eggnog in to my glasses about 2/3 of the way full, that equals 1 cup. Now, I don't have a jigger because I don't have a bar set up in my home, but I use 1/4 of a cup as a measuring tool for my liqueur. And 1/4 of a cup is 2 ounces, which is equal to, I believe, 1 jigger when bartenders are using, you know, that for their measuring. So you just take your Irish mist and pour in 1/4 of a cup. And then you take a teaspoon and stir it up. And the last step is to simply shake on. Oopsie, I forget this has one of these nice tops that you can just pull up and use as a shaker. Really great invention. So you just shake on some nutmeg on the top. There you are. And you have the most scrumptious drink for the holidays. Now, if you have friends who are maybe a little shy of alcohol, you can always reduce the amount, maybe use half as much of the Irish mist liqueur, and they can taste it and see if they like it and so on. But I think you will find this will just make your holidays very, very happy and merry. Happy New Year's from my home to yours, and we'll see you in 2019 with lots more videos. Take care.